Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings because brightness controls live there. Press Home, then go to Display and Sounds and choose Display. Once done, make sure your Fire TV and Remote respond so you can change values live. You need a test video or the home screen visible to compare before and after. This helps you see subtle shifts. If your TV has its own picture mode, note the current mode. You'll reconcile it later so the Fire TV and the display agree on brightness. Now focus on the middle steps. Open Display and look for brightness, night mode, and any auto brightness or HDR toggles. Change brightness in small increments, about 5 to 10%, then observe the image for clipping or loss of shadow detail. That's why gradual changes matter. If HDR is enabled, toggle it off and compare because HDR can make the screen look darker by design. Once you find a comfortable balance, confirm by playing different content types to ensure consistent output. Finish by saving your chosen settings and rebooting the Fire TV so changes stick. After reboot, recheck with varied content to confirm consistency. If your TV's picture mode or dynamic contrast is overriding the box, switch the TV to standard or custom and disable dynamic features so the Fire TV controls behave predictably. If it still looks wrong, try a different HDMI cable or port and confirm TV firmware is current. One quick tip: disable any auto contrast or dynamic brightness on the TV when testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.